हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू फिनलैडर। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग टॉप 5 कंट्रीज़ के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जहाँ पे आपकी बेस्ट सेविंग्स हो सकती है। हम लोग आफ्टर टैक्स एंड आफ्टर ऑल द एक्सपेंडिचर वाली सेविंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं फॉर अ पर्सन हु इज़ अ फाइनेंशियल एनालिस्ट जिसको 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होगा। तो इससे पहले भी हम लोगों ने 10 to 6 वाली कंट्रीज़ के बारे में बात की थी। इस वीडियो में टॉप 5 के बारे में बात करेंगे। एंड में आपको वो वाली वीडियो भी मिल जाएगी। वन मोर थिंग, हम लोग इसमें कॉलेजेस के बारे में भी बात करें बिकॉज वी हैव अंडरस्टूड कि इन कंट्रीज में जाने का बेस्ट तरीका इज वाया देयर कॉलेजेस। बट येस, इनके कॉलेजेस काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं, तो आई मेड श्योर मैं हर एक कंट्री का एक एक कॉलेज बताऊँ एंड उसमें जितनी भी स्कॉलरशिप्स अवेलेबल है वो सारी डिस्क्रिप्शन में होगी। सो यू कैन चेक आउट द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, वहाँ पे आपको सारी स्कॉलरशिप्स मिल जाएंगी। सो विदाउट फर्दर अडू, लेट्स डायरेक्टली सी टॉप 5 कंट्रीज कौन कौन सी है। Next country that we have is Australia. Now the best thing about Australia is काफ़ी ज़्यादा chill with regards to immigrants. आराम से immigrants को आने देगी. Worst thing about Australia is cost of living is very high. Now coming to the money that you'll be making in Australia, somewhere around $92,000, which is good, really good. Taxation that you'll be paying is somewhere around 30%, 34.8%, तो काफ़ी high है. And the net money that you'll be spending on your cost of living is $25,000. The net you'll be saving is $35,000, which translated to Indian rupee is somewhere around 26 lakh rupees. That's good. How do you enter to Australia? See, many people go through the mainstream way. Mainstream way क्या होगा? You go to Sydney or Melbourne and stay there. Worst thing about there is the chances of getting a stay back are still easy, but थोड़ा सा difficult हो सकता है. Now, many people do not know this, but Australia में when you move towards the tier 2 cities, be that towards the northern Australia side or the side of Adelaide, you might be getting a chill, मतलब थोड़ा सा easy way to stay back. So this is something you can look out for. Ideally, Australia में in major cities, Melbourne and Sydney में you get a 2-year stay back after a college. But tier 2 cities में there is a relaxed system. You can get a 3-year एंड अगर किसी पिछड़ी जगह जाओगे ना डार्विन वाली साइड से तो 4 साल का भी स्टे बैक का ऑप्शन मिलता है. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन लुक आउट फॉर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज जर्मनी. बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट जर्मनी, कॉस्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा लो. मनहेम यूनिवर्सिटी. So yes, that's the best thing about Germany. What's the worst thing about Germany? You need to learn German. Anyhow, coming to the money that you'll be making in Germany. So 79,000 is what you'll be making as your salary in Germany, base salary. 36% is the taxation, तो थोड़ा सा higher end पे taxation है, and cost of living is somewhere around 12,700. So the net amount that you'll be taking home in Germany is somewhere around $38,000, which loosely translates to somewhere around 28 lakh rupees. Next we have is Canada. The best thing about Canada I love is they're very welcoming to international students. हम लोगों को इवन इफ वी डू नॉट स्टे इन कैनेडा एट ऑल, अगर हमारे पास प्रोफेशनल एक्सपीरियंस है, दे डू एंड अप एक्सेप्टिंग पीपल विद दैट इवन इफ यू डू नॉट इवन लिव इन दैट कंट्री. वो फिर भी आपको सिटीजनशिप के लिए कंसिडर करेंगे. सो दैट्स अमेजिंग. नाउ विच यूनिवर्सिटी डू वी लुक एट इन कैनेडा? कैनेडा की यूनिवर्सिटीज महंगी भी हो सकती है, बट द बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी दैट वी गाइस कैन लुक आउट फॉर इन इज यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया. एंड this is something I've been telling in a couple of videos. I've been to that university, काफ़ी ज़्यादा सस्ती university, काफ़ी ज़्यादा amazing universities. To apply to University of British Columbia if you're planning to come to Canada. Now, how much is the money that you'll be making in Canada? That's somewhere around $70,000. उस पे you'll be paying 25% taxation and the cost of living would be somewhere around $11,000. So net you will be making $41,000. That's good. And that when translated to Indian rupees, 30 lakh Indian rupees. So 30 lakh is what you'll be making in Canada. Another best thing about Canada is moving to United States is easy. If you're staying in Canada, moving to United States is pretty much easy. And those people who are living in the United States, for them, moving to Canada is easy. So that's a win-win scenario. You're living in the first world country. Worst thing about Canada, one very bad thing that comes to me in Canada, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड, हद से ज़्यादा ठंड. 11 months you will be living in a winter. So just brace yourself for that. But yes, it is one of the best countries to live in. Next we have is an outlier, but many people would not have been thinking about it. But here we have it. Ireland. Many people do not think about Ireland when it comes to finance industry. But Ireland is actually an amazing place to study. And we are talking about the Southern Ireland. The Ireland is actually a very good TCD, UCD are the colleges that you guys should be applying for. Very chill, आराम से admission हो जाता है Indians का TCD and UCD. Trinity College of Dublin and UCD is what you should be applying for. What is the salary that you're looking at? Is only meager 68,000, which is good, but compared to the salaries that we were looking at, कहाँ हम लोग नंबर 9 या 9 पे ही बात कर रहे थे स्विट्जरलैंड की 1,10,000, यहाँ पे you're almost making half of that. But the cost of living and taxation is just 20%. That's very low. And then cost of living again is 11,000 only, $11,000. So net you will be taking home is $43,000. That's a lot. And that translated to Indian rupees is 32 lakh rupees. So that's very good. And again, for Indians, it's very easy to go to Ireland. They're very welcoming. As Canada, Ireland is also very welcoming. Number one पे without a doubt we'll have to put United States, because yeah, best salaries are in United States. Now one thing is for sure, United States में कुछ salaries किसी किसी सिटी में बहुत ज़्यादा हाई चली जाती, इसकी वजह से भी एवरेज पैकेजेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के. एवरेज सैलरी दैट यूल बी मेकिंग इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स इज 1,15,000 as a financial analyst with 4 years of experience. Now 30% tax rate hogi and 15,000 is the average cost of living. So net you will be saving in United States somewhere around $65,000. That when translated to Indian rupees is somewhere around 48 lakh rupees. That is why people strive for United States, because yeah, it is amongst the best places to live. So that was your list of top 10 countries. Universities that you should be applying in United States, they can be any university that you can apply for, but make sure you're applying for a STEM course. STEM is either science, technology, engineering or mathematics. इस वाली यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में मतलब there are specific courses, उनको STEM कहा जाता है. आप यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में चेक कर सकते हो which course is a STEM course. वहाँ से stay back के options are very lenient. So that was with regards to the top 5 countries. इसके अलावा if you want to check 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 ही कौन सी countries है, so that video is here. Apart from that, if you want to check any other videos, top MBAs, best MBAs in the world, check the description, you'll find it there. Best of luck.